Welcome back everyone. In today's episode we're diving into something that has become incredibly popular over the last few years, digital products. You hear about them everywhere. Online courses, templates, ebooks, membership communities, AI tools, productivity systems, the list goes on. But recently something interesting has happened. Artificial intelligence is changing how these products are created, marketed, and even personalized for customers. So today we want to answer a big question. How are creators and entrepreneurs using AI to build scalable digital product businesses? Anna, before we dive into the tools and strategies, let's start with a simple concept. What exactly makes digital products so attractive compared to traditional businesses?
That's a fantastic question, because understanding that explains why this space has exploded. Digital products have three characteristics that make them incredibly powerful. First, they are scalable. If you create a physical product, for example, a notebook or a piece of furniture, every time someone buys it, you need to produce another one. But with digital products, you create it once, and it can be sold thousands or even millions of times without additional production costs. Second, digital products are global. Someone in the United States, Europe, Asia, or Africa can purchase the exact same product instantly. There are no shipping costs, no logistics, and no inventory management. And third, which is where AI becomes very interesting, digital products can be continuously improved. Creators can update them, personalize them, or even integrate AI features that make the experience dynamic. This is why many entrepreneurs are shifting from traditional services to digital product ecosystems.
When people think about digital products, they usually imagine online courses. But I suspect the landscape is much broader than that. What types of digital products are creators building today, especially with the help of AI?
You're absolutely right, courses are only one part of the ecosystem. Today creators are building several categories of digital products. Let's break down a few major ones. 1. Educational products. This includes online courses, workshops, masterclasses, educational communities. AI helps creators develop course materials faster. For example, many creators use ChatGPT to generate course outlines, lesson summaries, worksheets, quiz questions. But again, the key is that AI assists with structure and brainstorming. The creator still provides the expertise. 2. Templates and toolkits. Another popular digital product category is templates. Examples include marketing templates, social media calendars, Notion productivity systems, design templates. These products solve specific practical problems for customers. For example, a marketing consultant might sell a complete content strategy template that businesses can use immediately. 3. AI prompt libraries. This is a newer category that has exploded recently. Creators sell collections of optimized prompts for AI tools. For example, prompts for writing blog posts, prompts for generating social media content, prompts for marketing automation. These products are simple but extremely valuable for people who are new to AI. 4. Digital tools. Some creators go even further and build small software products or micro apps. For example, AI writing assistants, automated content generators, analytics dashboards. Platforms like Notion and Canva allow creators to build powerful digital systems without advanced coding knowledge.
That's interesting because it shows something important. You don't necessarily need to build a massive software company to sell digital tools. Sometimes a well-designed template or system can deliver huge value.
Exactly. The most successful digital products often solve very specific problems.
One challenge people always mention when they think about creating a digital product is time. Many people say, "I'd love to build a course or product, but it would take months." How is AI changing that process?
AI dramatically accelerates the research and development phase. Let's imagine someone wants to create a course about social media marketing. Traditionally, they might spend weeks researching topics, outlining modules, writing lesson scripts, designing materials. AI can help with all those steps. For example, creators can ask AI to generate course structures, learning objectives, lesson summaries, exercises for students. Instead of starting with a blank page, they start with a draft framework.
That alone probably saves dozens of hours.
Exactly. But the biggest time savings often happen in content production. AI tools can help generate slide presentations, scripts for lessons, captions for marketing content, email launch sequences, Creators still refine everything, but they're no longer building everything from scratch.
Creating a product is only half the story. Marketing it is the real challenge. How does AI help creators actually sell digital products?
This is where AI becomes incredibly powerful. There are 3 key areas. 1. Customer research. AI can analyze audience discussions on platforms like Reddit, forums, and social media. This helps creators understand what problems people are facing, what solutions they're searching for, what language they use. This insight makes marketing messages much more effective. 2. Content marketing. Creators can use AI to generate multiple types of marketing content quickly: blog posts, YouTube scripts, email newsletters, social media threads. This creates a content ecosystem that attracts potential customers. 3. Email automation. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to sell digital products. Platforms like MailChimp use AI to optimize email timing and segmentation. This means the right message reaches the right person at the right moment.
So AI essentially helps creators build an entire marketing engine, not just a product.
Yes, the real advantage isn't just building products faster, it's building systems that continuously attract customers.
Let's make this concrete. Can you walk us through a real-world example of someone building a digital product using AI?
Sure, let's imagine a freelance graphic designer. They notice that many small businesses struggle to create social media graphics. Instead of continuing to sell hourly design services, the designer creates a social media design toolkit. The toolkit includes Canva templates, brand color guides, caption frameworks, posting schedules. Using AI, they research trending design styles, create marketing copy, build an email launch campaign. They promote the product through content on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Instead of working with one client at a time, they now sell the toolkit to hundreds or thousands of customers. That's the power of scalable digital products.
If there's one big idea from today's episode, it's that AI is lowering the barriers to entrepreneurship. People no longer need huge teams or budgets to build digital products.
Exactly. The combination of expert knowledge plus AI tools plus digital platforms allows individuals to create businesses that were almost impossible just a decade ago.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe and share it with someone who's thinking about launching their own digital product. And in our next episode, we'll talk about AI-powered content monetization and creator business models. Thanks for listening, everyone.